Hey guys, here's the project we had finished over 3 days with Vincentio and FinestraSA, Oliver, plus an apprentice. How was all that, Vincentio? Did you approve Oliver's work?
Thumbs up.
Good.
Both.
Thumbs up both.
Yes. Very professional.
Thank you. So we had fixed fly screens on the outside, little tilt and turns with the fixed on one side. This is the kitchen window, will tilt and turn and fix as well. Another one for the bedroom, fixed tilt and turn. Another tilt and turn fixed on this side. And one more bedroom tilt and turn fixed at this side as well. So 6 all up, one bay window. All white inside outside.